We're looking at the Oceania Suite on board the brand new Oceania Vista. This is the RFID touch lock here. And you can see we are forward on deck 12. This is the muster station information here. When you put your key card in, you'll have a full lighted LED system there for the room control, and if you want the butler to come in and clean the room or for do not disturb. Also have the different mood lighting available. And right here is the media room. So it's a nice little kind of a den to sit and watch movies or sports on TV. And right here just inside we'll have a full second bath with the rainfall head and removable shower head. Great design on the shelf. Beautiful tile and marble work throughout. Oceania spares no expense on the quality of decor on their ships. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. Make sure to check out my cruise tours playlist and Oceania playlist, where you'll see all of my cruise tour videos. I'm getting close to 400 videos now. And that's on the Affluent Journeys YouTube channel here. By the way, you do get the Bvlgari amenities and the upgraded Acqua di Parma in the suites. Great marble sink with chrome fixtures, industrial age style, maybe a deco, and a single head. And you'll notice here we'll have the latest Samsung flat screen TVs with full infotainment system on board with live satellite TV, movies. You can see your folio, the navigational map, and by the way, Starlink is now active on Oceania Cruises, so they have the best standard of internet available anywhere. This is the currents. It's the daily calendar of things that are happening throughout the ship. And today we're on a 2-night travel agent inaugural cruise, so I'm glad to be a part of that. There's a standard phone here and also the butler's phone, so you can take this with you around the ship and order a drink from the pool, from any little nook and cranny where you are hiding on the ship. Have your butler come and try and find you. So we'll have a dining table for 4, and yes, you can have your butler serve any meal from any restaurant on board. 3 meals a day here inside your suite, perhaps out on the veranda, which we'll see as well. And here's a good look at the infotainment screen, all the information you might want to see during the cruise. There's no more single-use plastics on board the ship, so everybody has the new Vero water filter system. They'll actually have water on tap throughout the ship, you'll find that. And they give you the aluminum refillable bottles. And you do get some liquor and wine in the room included as well. And here's the bar menu, in case you want to have a look at that. These are all the standard pouring wines, if you have one of the basic packages. And everyone in the Oceania Suite gets a welcome bottle of Pommery. And this is the really neat Terry tote bag. You'll have beach towels in here and Oceania logo hats. And the artwork throughout the ship is spectacular. If you're on a sea day, it's a fun little ship excursion to go do a little art tour around the ship. So we'll have a look here in the master bath. Double sinks. Again, really nice marble. Chrome fixtures, Acqua di Parma amenities, and shelving space here behind the mirrors. Shaving port there. They do include hair dryers, which I can't find at the moment, but I know it's here. And a beautiful soaking tub. You get the best bathrobes from Veranda. We have a gorgeous shower, backlit, with the shelving, a shower seat here. And by the way, the Oceania Vista will be the world cruise vessel for 2026. They just announced it this morning. And we'll have a single head and bidet here. So of course I want to hear from you about the World Cruise, especially if you want to stay here in the Oceania Suite. This is probably my favorite of the suites on board. So I have a large closet area. Of course, if you're on the World Cruise for 180 days, you'll need a lot of space. Here we go. So I have a tote bag there. They do have some complimentary self-laundry and pressing, dry cleaning on board. And here's the hidden hair dryer. There's also a shoehorn and shoe kit in here. And then we'll have slippers and more closet space there. We'll have the life preservers, some beach towels, the safe, and cashmere blankets for use on board, along with the umbrella. And we'll have a lighted vanity mirror here. And this is the master bedroom area. And right here we'll have a vanity desk with great Bvlgari perfumes, American ports, USB, USB-C, and international ports. Look at the great style and indentation they did here with that. Of course, we'll have a wood headboard. These are reading lights here and more switches for the room control. They use 1,000 thread count linens on Oceania and the new Ultra Tranquility bed on board the Vista as well. It's the upgraded mattress over the previous vessel. And you do get the Sweet Dreams pillow menu with all the different great types of pillows that might be interesting for you. And this is a solid king. It does not split into two separate beds. So let's have a look out on the veranda, which you can get to from the bedroom or the living room. So it does interconnect via the balconies to the rooms. And we'll have two chaise loungers, and they are padded. They have the pads stuck there. And a couple lounge chairs out here as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Oceania Suite on board the brand new, luxurious Oceania Vista. If you haven't already, make sure to hit like on the video, subscribe here to Affluent Journeys, that helps me a lot, and put your comments down below so that way others can learn from your experience, especially if you've sailed here on board. Now, I am a luxury cruise agent. I do represent Oceania Cruises for US and Canada residents only. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Oceania, I'd love to hear from you about it. And most of the time, I can improve on the offer that you would have by booking direct with your own on the cruise line. Even if you've already booked that cruise within the past 30 days, through the US offices only, not through another travel agent, and you're not paid in full, I might still be able to make some improvements for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries, you may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Now make sure to check out my cruise tours playlist. I'm approaching 400 videos there on the world's best cruise ships, and I will have a full ship tour here of the Vista and a lot of the other suites and rooms as well. Now, if you want to see my special deals and exclusive offers, especially those that I get on Oceania, make sure to follow the Affluent Journeys Facebook page. You'll see all my special deals there. And also follow me on Instagram. You'll see my pictures and short videos from my various travels and other things that I do. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.